6:45 is the time, everyone. If you're just waking up with us this morning, a lot happened while you were sleeping. The search continues for one of the Boston Marathon bombing suspects. The other one has been shot, killed. A lot of details to take in, but you'll see all of it on KXAN.com. Hi, Jackie.
Hey, good morning. That's right. It's been a lot of details, a lot of breaking news heading into the newscast this morning, but we've been all over it online. You can find straight from the homepage now the latest on that story. Here from the homepage, and then from this main story here, you can get the very latest, get our live stream happening now. We're staying abreast of the live streams and reports coming out of that area. And then we also got in our special section in the top right corner there, you'll see a photo gallery of the suspect. One of them is reportedly killed. The other is that they're looking for now is obviously still alive, still out on the loose at large, saying he's armed and dangerous. But this is a look at him now. And you can just kind of scroll through that photo gallery there and see what they look like, who they are. Their identity was just released in the last hour or so.
Right, and the Associated Press, the latest that we're getting from them is that these are brothers, the suspects in the bombing from Russia region near Chechnya. The one that you're looking at right now is 19-year-old Dzhokhar Tsarnaev, and he is the one on the loose. And it's affecting about 400,000 people who are being told, stay in your homes until we find this guy.
That's right. It's a very fluid situation. We're obviously keeping everyone abreast of the info. Especially through our text alerts and all the other alerts. You can find those down at the bottom right corner of our homepage there under site tools. That's where you see it there. You can sign up for text alerts, email alerts, stay abreast via our Facebook and Twitter page. I've been keeping that up to date all morning long. In addition, here back home, closer to home, it's still a very active situation out in West as we've been following the fertilizer explosion, their fertilizer plant explosion. It's been a very chaotic and frenzied situation all week long with in the news world with both of these stories, the one from Boston and the one here closer to home in West. So you can get the latest on what it looked like the day after, really photo galleries and how everyone's really coming together, and stay abreast of the latest coverage. Like I said, straight from our homepage there. We have special sections on both of these very fluid situations and stories.
All right. Thank you so much, Jackie.